everyone, Sapphira here, and today I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to use all sorts of materials but only in one color. And I asked you guys on YouTube which color I should use for this challenge, and an overwhelming 52% of you guys voted for blue, so here it is! And I'm actually super excited for this challenge because it was so much fun to do, and I have to say that I only used the more lighter blues because I have a lot of materials, like for real. I was searching for all the blue materials and I was like, no, this is insane. I have so many, so I decided to go with the more lighter blues for this challenge. And I also decided to not use all my markers because I have around 50 blue markers. And I think the whole point of this challenge is to use different materials together. So it wouldn't really make sense to only or mostly use blue markers. And so I only picked around 2 to 3 of each brand in the blue color. So it would be more diverse with the other materials. And yeah, so I already made a sketch the day before I shot this video, because sometimes it's really hard to start recording and come up with a great idea. And sometimes I'm still really nervous when I'm drawing, when I know the camera is recording, so it's nice to have a plan before I start filming. So I already come up with a concept and an idea for this drawing. And I wanted to do something with an umbrella and a raincoat and rain boots, so that's what I did. And it was so awesome to do this challenge, and I'm super surprised how it all was a lot of fun. I thought it would be really hard to use all sorts of materials, and I was scared that they would bleed together or not work together, but it all worked really nicely. So because I'm using so many different materials for this challenge, I decided to go with my Mausery sketchbook, because that sketchbook is actually meant for mixed media, so I thought this is the perfect challenge to do in a Mausery sketchbook, because the other sketchbooks I have don't really like either markers or water, so Mausery was the best option for this. So for now I will go and continue this drawing, and I will come back at the end of the video and talk about the end result with you guys, so see you then! So this is the end result of the challenge, and I am super happy with the way it turned out. And you can really see all the different materials and textures in the drawing, and overall I'm just really pleased with this piece. And I really enjoyed doing this challenge, and thank you all for voting on the poll, and I might even do another one of these because this was so much fun. So that's it for this video, and I hope to see you soon, everyone!